Okay, chapter 1, Halachah 1. Each and every man possesses many character traits. Each trait is very different and distant from the other. One type of man is wrathful. He is constantly angry. In a contrast, there is the calm individual who is never moved to anger. Or if at all, he will be slightly angry, perhaps once during the period of several years. There is a prideful man and one who is exceptionally humble. There is a man ruled by appetites. He will never be satisfied from pursuing his desires. So appetites mean like any appetites. It's not only food, right?
Yeah.
And conversely, the very pure heart, who does not desire even a little that the body needs. There is a greedy man who cannot be satisfied with all the money in the world. As Koheles 5:9 states, a lover of the money never has his fill of the money. In a contrast, there is a man who puts a check on himself. He is satisfied with even a little, which is not enough for his needs. And he does not bother to pursue and attain what he lacks. There is a little miser. No, I'm sorry, I don't know what to say. There is a miser who torments himself with hunger, gathering his possession close to himself. Whenever he spends a penny on his own, he does it with a great pain. Conversely, there is a spendthrift who consciously wastes his entire fortune. All the other traits follow the same pattern of contrast. For example, the overly elated and the depressed. So overly elated, like it's all funny to him. He's always in a good mood. Okay. The stingy and free-handed. The cruel and soft-hearted. The coward and the rash and the like. Okay, so that's it. We go to the beginning and we do the same with the commentary. So any